Hello. In this short, I will teach you pronouns. It is going to be a recap or a review. And for a longer video, you can click on the link in the description box. So the first pronoun is मैं. मैं. It's always going to end with हूँ. मैं हूँ. मैं हूँ. मैं सारा हूँ. मैं teacher हूँ. The second pronoun is तुम. तुम is always going to end with हो. तुम हो. तुम उस्मान हो. तुम उस्मान हो. Usman is a name. Everything will go between the subject and the verb. तुम उस्मान हो. This is informal. तू कौन है? तू कौन है? This is the least formal. तू कौन है? Who are you? तू कौन है? This is a bit derogatory sometimes and can be also disrespectful, but it also can be intimate. So that's why it's a bit confusing. The third one is आप कौन है? आप कौन है? Who are you? आप कौन है? This is the most formal one. This is the respectful one. And you would use it with the elders or someone you want to respect or a stranger. The last one is ये मेरे husband हैं. ये मेरे मियाँ हैं. ये मेरे मियाँ हैं. He is my husband. ये मेरे husband हैं. वो मेरे husband हैं. वो मेरे husband हैं. That means he's my husband. But the difference between ye and wo is the proximity with the subject. If he's nearby, you'll say ये मेरे husband हैं.